Hello friends, Danni here of Danni's Dreams. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 6 cards that I've made using Kendra's card challenge number 5 and the Crafty Courtyard February 2022 box from Pink and Main. I do have a product share unboxing type video for the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit. I will link that in the description box below, along with a link to Kendra's card challenge video, and all the good stuff will be down below. So let's get started. If you haven't heard of Kendra's card challenge, it is a quarterly challenge put on by Cards by Kendra. I've seen it. I believe she started it last year, and I saw it and I was like, I don't know. Do I really want to do that? I already do the sheet load of cards, which I love. And so I just kind of put it off, and then I kept seeing more and more. And so then I finally took time and watched some of her videos and went and downloaded the files that she has for her challenge and decided to give it a try. I have to say, I'm regretting not starting it sooner. I have been having the most fun playing along with this card challenge. I don't know if it's because it's something different or because it takes so much out of like having to design a card that I can just create. I don't know. I'm having a blast. So let me tell you a little bit about the card challenge. You get, again, the video is linked below that has all this information, but she has, so this is her 5th one. I have printed off the other ones, so I hope to do them too. And you get cutting guides for 6 different papers. So you get a 6x6 paper cutting template, 6 sheets equals 15 cards. It tells you very specifically how to cut them and stuff like that. I found it very easy. It's all color coordinated. And then you have these sketches. And today I'm going to be showing you cards 1 through 6. So I used this sheet of sketches, but it's also very detailed. It'll tell you the layer size if you want to. Of course, you can switch it up if you need to. And then I hope to get the rest of them done in the next week or so. I have been playing around with it, and I need to do some of my design team obligations, and then I'll get back to it. And then she also gives you instructions, some hints, and then how you can share it. She also gives away a prize every quarter, and it looks like there's a lot of sponsors. So if that's your thing, that you like to try to win a prize, which I mean, I think we all kind of do. I'm doing this more just for fun, but if I win, yeah. But anyways, like I said, I just am having the best time. What I did is I cut out all of my papers. So I have 6 papers from the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit. And then I put them in piles and labeled them like A, B, C, D, E, F. And then I went through and I made card, like I put together little like kits, I guess, of each of the papers that you needed for each sketch. And then when I was ready, I just grabbed it and the card came together so easily. Like I said, I seriously have been having the best time with this. Not to diminish like sheet loads or anything, because you know that I love doing those as well. Like I said, I think it's just because it's something different and it's just going together quickly. So on to the cards that I made. Here is my first one that I made for the sketch number 1. And I see that my sparkle has gotten all over the card, but that's okay. Can you see the dragonfly has some sparkle on it? These papers are so pretty, and I'm loving the stamps. Seriously, I am so happy that I took the chance and also talked to my hubby into letting me get this Crafty Courtyard kit from Pink and Main for February 2022, because I am just having a blast with it. So this one says congratulations, and I did a dragonfly on the inside. All the cardstocks and inks and some of the embellishments were in my stash, but the papers and the stamps are all from, like the designers, the pattern papers are all from the kit. Here's the second one. These sequins were also in the kit. I see it got some sparkle from the other card too. That's okay, sparkle's never a bad thing. Happy birthday. There we go. Next up was the sketch number 3. You Were Meant to Soar, and I used those 3 dragonflies there. The dies are really nice that they cut them out really nice. I used some pearls from my stash, and I put 3 dragonflies on the inside to kind of correspond with that. Here's my 4th one. I have to say, I'm extremely proud of this one. I think I've mentioned before, maybe not, I do not do well usually at like using scissors to cut my banners. This time I tried it, and look at that. I did it. Yay! Small victory. Live each day to the fullest. And again, I have those 3 butterflies. I really like this layout with those banners, something I normally would not do. And again, I did 3 dragonflies on the inside. And then this one, the 5th one, I think is probably my favorite so far. Look at that why do I keep wanting to say butterfly? I apologize. Dragonfly. Isn't that gorgeous with those flowers? Spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams. How cool is that? I love how this one turned out. And the box or kit comes with an embossing folder. It's really, really detailed and pretty. And then I did stamp part of that on the inside. But yeah, I think this is my favorite so far. We'll see when I get them all done. And then the last one that I'm sharing with you today is for the 6th sketch. Thoughts of You Fill My Days with Joy. Again, those sequins come in the kit, and then 3 dragonflies. And then I just did 1 on the inside there. So there are my first 6 cards using Kendra's card challenge number 5. I just wanted to stop and share because I've been having the best time with this. And I hope to, like I said, I have some design team obligations that I need to get created, but then I hope to get the other 9 of these cards done, and I'll be back to share everything. Until then, if you have any questions, because it seems like my mind's kind of in la la land today, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day.